In this video, I will be showing you how to make phone wallpaper in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva home screen by clicking into the search bar and typing in phone wallpaper. Once I hit enter, a wide range of templates will appear, but I want to build my own design today, so I'll click on the plus icon to create blank. Now that my blank vertical canvas is ready, I'll go to the sidebar and open the Elements tab. I'm looking for a specific aesthetic, so I'll search for cute food and look through the graphics. I'll select this illustrated bowl, bring it onto the canvas, and use the corner handles to resize it and move it toward the center. To complement the food graphic, I'll go back to the search bar and type cute water bottle. I'll browse through the graphics until I find something that fits. I'll try this 3D style blue bottle first, but after seeing it on the page, I decide it doesn't quite match the vibe, so I'll delete it and keep searching. This green and purple bottle looks much better. I'll bring that in, resize it, and place it next to the food. To keep the look consistent, I'll use the Style tool to copy the aesthetic from the first graphic and apply it to the bottle. Next, I'll move over to the Text tab in the sidebar. I want the text to be even more decorative, so I'll look through the pre-made text combinations in the sidebar. I'll pick the super kawaii style and update the text to say, "Stay healthy and hydrated." Once the words are updated, I'll resize the block and position it at the top of my design. To give the design a more professional feel, I'll click on Effects and use the Curve slider. I'll adjust the bend until it wraps nicely around the graphics. Finally, I'll change the text color. Then I'll make some final adjustments to the spacing and centering to ensure everything is perfectly aligned for a phone screen. And that's it. Your custom phone wallpaper is ready to use.